Like, that's all the dirt that came off these fidgets. Guys, you have to make sure that you wash your fidgets. Fidgets carry a lot of germs and they collect, like in these creases, they collect a lot of germs. So make sure like after every other use or every use that you wash your fidgets so that, you know, germs don't go around when you share with your friends or your family, because the amount of dirt that is in the sink is so crazy. Like, I know you guys see like little, like that's all the dirt that came off these fidgets. So make sure you guys definitely clean these. They are very easy to collect dirt in like these little crevices. So I am just cleaning all the ones that we have because I think it's very smart to do that. And I'm also playing with it. So I'm washing them to get them cleaner, and I'm having fun playing with them in water. It's really fun playing in water. And they work just as fine as if they weren't in water. So I just wanted to come on and show you guys how I'm cleaning them. I just filled my sink up with, so all I did was just fill up the sink and put warm water, and then I put in some soap. I put in not too much soap because I don't want to create bubbles, but now what I'm gonna do is drain the water, the dirty water that came off these fidgets. And then once that is done, I'm gonna turn on some cold water. Make sure you get all of them. My sink doesn't move, so I don't want to move the fidgets on there. And sometimes people put their fidgets on the floor and pop them. You put them on your table and pop them. You put them with other fidgets, you share them. So that is where all of the germs and the little dirt that's hidden in the crevices are coming from. All right, so now I'm gonna turn on some warm water and wash them off. Okay, so I'm going to fill up the sink again just with water, and I'm going to show you that there is no dirt as you saw before, and if there is no dirt, that means your fidgets are clean. So I'm going to pull up the stopper, I'm going to run some water. And if there is still like residue, then you could just repeat the step one more time and you should be good by then. Just waiting for it to fill up just a little bit. Alright, so I'm gonna lift these up. And there's no dirt. It's probably like little specks of dirt, but you see like right there, but it's not as bad as it was before. But I am going to wash these one more time just to get a thorough cleaning. But I just wanted to come out here and show you guys how you can wash your fidgets and how you can get them clean. And yeah, thank you guys for watching.